So today we are talking about Lindsay Russel. She's an amazing gal. I met her several years ago. She's just in high school when I met her, and she's always been a treat. Throwback to the good old days when we were rolling. She was on homecoming court at her high school, and we've always had a good time with Lindsay. It's been awesome to watch her grow up, and I've had the privilege this time to take her senior photos. And Lindsay is like a ball of energy. So as you can see in the video that's coming up, she's part of a sorority, Alpha Delta Pi, and she is just living life like nobody else, which I totally love. But her session was so much fun because we got to go on campus, and then we did something like in the quad, and then we moved out. She's graduating from McNeese State, so we started in the quad, and then we moved over to the clock, which is also in the quad. Then after that, we went by the McNeese wall, that's what I call it, where they have like all the different colleges and stuff. So we were able to shoot some cool pictures of her there. Just really, really awesome, like nice shots of her. And then we went to the sorority house, and I can't remember the last time I've been in the Alpha Delta Pi house. As a Pike, I'm a Pike, so I remember going over there maybe once or twice during my undergrad for like a social or something like that. But it was cool to go back in there post Hurricane Laura. They have made some incredible upgrades in there that you guys can see in some of the photos that we'll show you guys. And it was just neat to be back in there. I kind of felt like I was taking a walk back down memory lane with her, just excited for her graduating. And then after we left there, we ended up going a second day to the McNeese Stadium, where we got some really, really awesome photos of her. Like it was game day. She had her McNeese attire on. We did some shots of her like going away, like she's going up the ramp and stuff like that. It was so cool. So we're shooting the session, and I throw out a little joke. I'm like, hey, you want to go on the field? It's not like the football team's practicing right now. And she was like, no, I'm good. So we're wrapping up the shoot, and I'm like, hey, Lindsay, you want to go on the field? And she's like, I think I do. So I'm like kind of panicking because I'm like, they were practicing right now football, and she's like, well, I want to go. And I'm like, all right, we're going. So you guys can see in the little pop-up that there's some photos of her on the field. You almost can see some of the football players in the background, but we got some really, really cool photos of her in the back on the field with the team in the background, and then we got some at a different angle with no team in the background. So it's pretty cool to get those awesome memories for her. I always love working with Lindsay Russel. She's an amazing gal. If you don't know her, you should find her and get to know her. She's super awesome. But here's what we got, and here's a little recap of our shoot. So check it out, guys.